Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe video, and for today's recipe it is stir fry mushroom or fungi. Why fungi? Because it has fungus and mushrooms as well. To be honest, I've never eaten fungus before, and it doesn't sound good, right? Fungus, it's like mushroom is better. Fungus usually is the one that can get you sick and whatnot, but this following, I'm not sure if it's vegetables. I don't think it's vegetables. Stir fry is super good. And it is using two kinds of fungus. The black fungus, I thought at first it was wood ear, which is in Indonesia, we know it as jamur kuping, but it is much smaller. But the texture or the feeling when you bite it, chewy, just like wood ear. It's really nice. It's great as is, but also perfect paired with warm rice. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So you're gonna need dried black fungus, dried white fungus, and dried shiitake mushrooms. You can find these at Walmart if you're in Canada. I'm not sure where you are at, but for sure in Chinatown you can find the same as well, with maybe different brand, but this is from Delicious Kitchen. So again, dried black fungus, white fungus, and dried shiitake mushrooms. You want to rinse the fungus and mushroom with warm water, like soak them in warm water for like 15 minutes and then drain them, and then you're gonna soak them for 10 minutes in hot boiling water. Your fungus, the white one, will be not blossom, not bloom, but it's gonna expand. It's really huge. This is the 15 minutes up. You're gonna drain the fungus and mushroom from the water, but you do not throw away, do not discard the water. Reserve them like 250 milliliters and set them aside. And now we're gonna chop the mushroom and fungus to bite size. So you just want to take them out one by one. 15 minutes is until your mushrooms and fungus are softened. And then we're gonna slice it. Just put them to side, and let me show you the dry and the soaked one. This is the dry white fungus and the soaked one. Oh my god, it's so fluffy and nice. Look at that. For the white fungus, you want to discard the core as well, that part. So with the reserved mushroom water where you soak the mushroom and fungus before, take out about 250 milliliter and stir in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and set this liquid aside. You're gonna thinly slice or dice or chop about 6 to 7 garlic. I'm using one hand just to show you that I'm chopping it, otherwise I can chop it more faster. Now into your wok, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I use grapeseed oil, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of, well, this is half teaspoon, you can use 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and our diced or chopped garlic. And then we're just gonna heat it and stir fry it until fragrant. We're gonna add in our mushroom. Smells wonderful, this garlic and ginger. And then cover the pan with the lid and let it stir fry or simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. Take off the lid, and then we're gonna season with soy sauce, sesame oil, salt and sugar to taste. Adjust the flavor to your liking, and then we're gonna add our cornstarch solution. So it's gonna thicken a bit, and we're gonna simmer it for 5 to 8 minutes. Now your stir-fried fungi is ready to be served. You can sprinkle it with coriander, chopped coriander, or sliced green onions. You can serve it as is or with warm rice. Yum!